Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to link debit or credit cards to your FTX wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the FTX wallet, then go to the invest section, and here you have to tap on the settings menu, which is on the top right corner, this little gear icon. And when you tap on it, at the invest section, the first menu in the settings is going to be the linked cards. And if you tap on it, first it's going to show you all your linked cards if you already linked them, and if you did not, you can add here by tapping on link card and adding your card informations. I won't do that right now because I do not want to share with all of you guys my card informations, but yeah, that's how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.